Guys, I'm back again. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Anointed, and on this channel I teach you tips and ways on how to earn money online. And if you think that's what interests you, do what to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. That will support me. Just support me. Just click the subscribe button now, please. I'm even begging you to click the subscribe button. Please just click the subscribe button and do well to turn on the bell notification so that you receive upcoming videos like this. So the first thing we need to do now is to load up the sites that we'll be talking about today. We'll be talking about a site called Farms Up Task. Now let's wait for the website to load. Now here it is. Just click on. I think we'll be going on with the second one. Let's click on. This is sign up. This is the task. We are going for the task. Let's wait. Now, this is what. So you can see earn easy cash online by performing the simplest task. Earn thousands of naira daily by performing simple social media tasks such as liking, commenting, and following. So now you can see how to start earning. Create an account. Start by creating an account without any registration fee. Now this one is totally free. Now connect your different social media accounts to perform tasks. Now carry out tasks like following other people social and get paid for it. Withdraw earnings directly to your bank account easily. Now let's click on start earning. Now all we need to do, you already know what to do. Just put your email address, your full name, your state, your gender, your age, enter your password and re-enter your password. Now to do this, I'll pause the video, and once I'm done I will play back the video. Now let's go. Okay guys, now I've successfully created my account. So what we need to do now is to review the task here. So you can see join group to make money 6 naira, share 6 naira, like and follow my Facebook page 5 naira, comment a video 4 naira, comment post 4 naira, comment. You can see this. So let's go to our dashboard and see what we are seeing. So you can see my balance is 0 because I just created this one. So let's click on the withdrawal. Let's see the withdrawal threshold. Click on withdraw. Okay, withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account. Let's see the referrals. I've not referred anybody. So now to join this platform, I'll be leaving the link to this platform in the description, so it will be easy for you to access. Now this is where we'll be ending this video. Bye for now.